technical staff. It's also important that the administrator, education, SC in computer physics, BSc in computer science and communications, expertise, web development, IT professional, hardware, management, solution, and installer, graphic designer, editor, photographic expert, recognition, and expert. And so, I'm very sorry. I skipped my mind when I was calling out. I think this very good day. So, let us welcome to that
Technology permeates every aspect of our lives, from smartphones and social media to artificial intelligence and beyond. For young Christians in Nigeria, this presents both opportunities and challenges. How can we navigate this technological landscape while staying true to our faith? Can we balance faith and technology? Let's ensure that our human interactions enhance rather than aiding our spiritual journey. Now, we now believe that Mommy, Daddy, they are not giving me anything at home. See, a man is coming, thereby they will not give you anything at home again. A man is coming, thereby you will remind yourself that I'm in 400 level. What next? But don't forget, if you have nothing, it is very certain for you to digress. I've seen many instances whereby computer science students who graduate as a BSc holder will not even be minding on paper. Do what? It is to open our intellect that this is how to do this. Don't misquote me. I'm not saying that you being a computer that you not being a computer science student or that you're not good. No. But what I mean is this: technology is there for everybody. Whether you study computer science, whether you're faculty of computer science, faculty of graphic science, faculty of management science, faculty of social science, faculty of art or whatever it is, everybody in today's world has smartphone, isn't it? Yes, sir. I could remember I have someone when he wanted to start his printing work, he made use of WPS on his phone and he was making money with it. Praise God. He was making money. Not until you know how to code, not until you are a software developer, not until you are a UI UX designer and resources. I go to the exposition. This is the 21st century. BLE is now graduating from one level to another. We believe that it is those who study computer science or anything courses who can deliver well without hesitation. Believe me, it is a lie. Many computer science students do not even operate a basic computer. Computer and technology not to help us become what we plan to become, rather than sinking into our faith, rather than sinking our faith. The word technology has put many of us into problem and has swallowed our faith. The word technology has killed many of us spiritually. Therefore, do you know that some set of people they will pray for about 24 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours before? But because we are present home, because we just use TikTok alone, we will not even pray for 5 minutes alone. Well, career opportunities. There are some set of people, they call them software engineering. We also have web development, network engineering, data science. We have IT support. We have cybersecurity analysts. We have product management. We have clinical marketing. Do you know that even Microsoft Office is a component? But many of us, what we focus on is just that we focus on. In fact, many computers, what they could basically use was just Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And there are other things. We have Microsoft Publisher, we have Microsoft Access, we have OneNote, we have Outlook, we have Skype. There are a lot of it, but it is just because you are limited to that particular thing. And wherever you have a complete installation of Office on your computer, but many of us have not even go through those packages. What we only know was for 2010 or 2016. And this thing is more than that. So because of my time, I could not see the power of technology for God's glory while staying rooted in faith. Are you ready? Each and every one of us. When they say the spirit of the Lord will make a way for you, when my brother said earlier that he also have another program when he be in fact, I think it is keyboard. I don't know how to play. There are some set of people playing keyboard for great men. Am I right? There are some set of people playing drums for great men. So what you don't have, you can't give anybody. But it is what you have, what is in you, what is embedded in you. There is an operating system in computer, embedded operating system. It has to depend on what another words, probably on the other side. There are many opportunities. Do you know that you can become, without having the knowledge of computer, you can become a CCTV camera installer? Do you know that? Without you having any knowledge about computer.